Do you flop like a fish when you do your pullover? I'm assuming you want to be a gymnast on a fish, so I'm here to help. I'm Coach Christa, and I've been coaching for more than 15 years, and I'm going to get your pullover looking like this. Yes, I know it's not perfect, but hey, I'm getting up and over that bar, girl. So let me tell you what to do, not to do, and all the tips and tricks and some drills, yeah. First, your hand placement. It goes right on top, not below, not one on, one off, one up, down, whatever. I mean, at this point, I feel like I was patty caking with a bar. So, hands on top of the bar. We got it, got it. Next, do you know where you should be standing? Super duper close, like you're kissing the bar, or as far as you can get without letting go of the bar. If you answered happy medium, you were right, just like this. Now, side note, unless you're super strong or you got a gnarly kick, this might be too high for you. All right, let's go back to our other bar. Did you know there are 2 ways to start your pullover? The first one, and what I'm really going to teach in this video, is the kick. It's just easier and you're using momentum instead of strength. The second one is a chin pullover. You need strength for this, which I don't have. Moving on. Like any coach, I'm going to tell you what you're doing wrong. If you're flopping down like we were earlier, then you are not keeping your chin to the bar. You're dropping it. Dropping it like it's hot. If you are keeping your chin next to the bar and not getting over, it's your hips. You're not rolling your hips around the bar. Think chin, hips. If you are doing chin, hips, but you're not getting up on top of the bar, it's because you're not shifting your hands. My hands never moved. Watch, 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 watch. I'll show you again. Unless you're Elastigirl, it's not happening. I do end up trying to shift them, but it's too late. The momentum's gone. Can you remember everything you just learned? Because we're putting it all together. Hands forward, step kick, chin to the bar. Hips come up and around. Shift your hands on top of the bar and bring your chest up. Push down on the bar so that you can stay in front support. Now, like any good coach, I'm going to give you drills so you can get your pullover. Here are my 3 favorite. For the first one, you're going to do pike pull-ups. Put your feet up on a mat, a block, a chair, something. Make sure your hands are forward, of course, and then bring your chin to the bar. The second one is my favorite. Not a chin hold. Mentally, I have to prepare myself. But if you get good at these, you're literally doing half of your pullover already. Yikes, that was brutal. Well, at least I try. This next one might seem really easy, but back rolls. This helps you understand the way your hips should go over around the bar. And yes, 2 back rolls gets me dizzy. And there you have it. How to do a pullover. Oh, and just so you know, doing this one time isn't going to get your pullover. You got to be consistent. Consistency is key.